Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about classes versus files. Actually lost my place in here. Oh no. Remember, this is using the OCA study guide. OCA Oracle Certified Associate Java SE8 Programmer 1 study guide. Anyway, let's get into it. So, as you see up here, it's a .java file, and most of Java classes are called that. Oh God, are called or have a .java behind it, and it is usually something called public, and our class is actually public. As you can see here, it says public class Hippo, as we said earlier back in another video, and that means that any code in the project could take that code or call the code. But it doesn't have to be public. It could be like it doesn't have to be public like this. Let's say this is just an imaginary one. This might break my code, I don't know. But let's make a class called Giraffe. Here, you see, this is not public because it doesn't have a public right next to it. That means if we made another .java file or a class, that means it would not be able to access any of the code in here, while it would be able to access the code in here. Alright. And there's these things called files and you can put two classes in and you can put more than one class into a file. And they don't always, all of them don't have to be public. As we said, class Giraffe, bracket, and this would be, I think this would be called a file. And if you do have a public class, make sure the file is a .java file, or it will not compile correctly. And yeah, and later on we'll discuss what a non-public access means, but that's the basics of what a class and a file is. Have a nice day. Bye.